The master bedroom on the first floor is a combination of striped stone MCM with wooden fluted panels as a backdrop of beige color bed. To keep this bedroom simple yet elegant, the wardrobe shutters are cladded with beige PU finish, acrolaminate and sleek handles.
એમનું ટીમવર્ક, એમનો પુરુષાર્થ, દરેક વસ્તુ એટલી બધી જબરદસ્ત હોય છે કે અમારે ક્યાંય બીજું જોવું જ નથી પડ્યું.
An attached roadside balcony with wooden finish tile flooring creates a cozy space to hang out and enjoy a cup of tea in the morning. To give a seamless look, the bathroom doors are camouflaged behind the fluted panels. A good-sized dress and toilet are connected with bedroom.